is call for a mid-century style shop at midcentury.style. You'll notice the long hair now. You can follow me through the years, just looking at the hair, it's funny. And I have many shirts with the new logo embroidered. Look at that, it's beautiful, I love it. So today it's just a little quick video because people have been asking me, what's up there on your shelf above your office over there? We're gonna have a quick look at these things. There are a few vintage items there that I think they'll interest you. But I'm doing this because this week I had an incredible idea that's crazy, simple, and quick. Because I have a Apple Airport Time Capsule just sitting there on the shelf, you know. It looks nice, but it's not mid-century at all. Now it is. And I'll show you how stupidly quick you can do this. So we have a 2-for-1. We'll make it quick. I'll grab you up. We're going to have a look. And then I'll just put you down just because I need my 2 hands. Let's go. So here is my office. Sorry for the stumble. Here, what do we have here? That's what people have been asking about, a few of these things. This is a vintage camera that my grandma had. I always kept it. I don't think it works anymore, but back here, that's crazy. Those are British consoles, and it's never been opened. My grandma bought this, but the cellophane broke a little bit, so I tried to fix it. And then we have one of, the famous tobacco cans. And now here's the deal. This is a little something I bought as home decor. I'm not sure, I think it was Target. I didn't really like the plant that was in there. So I bought this thing and changed it. But the point is, I love the stand, the wood stand. So that's what I put it a few places in the house, but now it's sitting on my shelf. But this is the Apple Airport Time Capsule. And I don't know, I thought the other day I was trying to fix something. I wanted to see the little green light that was over there. So I put something underneath. I think you know where I'm going with this. So I'm gonna need my 2 hands to show you. I'm gonna put you down and be right back. So, now that my hands are free, let me show you that stupid trick. Remember this? I told you I love the wood frame. Let's take it off. Put this on. Let's take this, put it here, and voila. Can you believe it fits perfectly? It's just crazy. It looks wonderful, and now I can see the little green line when I need to service it. It's just gorgeous, and it fits in an angle, I know, but that's crazy. And this kind of thing, this is a few bucks at any store. So that's it. I'm going to show you around. So there you have it. I'm going to show you from all sides. It looks amazing. It's like it's always been like this. It's crazy. So let me put you back and say goodbye. Just a minute. Hi. So, well, that's it. That's a quickie. It's fun. And don't forget, go to midcentury.style. There's a lot of stuff going on, lots of new products. Look it up. Until next time, see you. Ciao.